Today we're making popcorn for the Minnesota Vikings. Whoa, that is so awesome! Today we're making popcorn for the Minnesota Vikings. And what's more Midwest is I hear people in the Midwest love dill pickles. We're gonna be popping up some dill pickle popcorn, so let's get popping. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on our kettle, start getting that warmed up. We did just pop a batch of popcorn in here, so we're gonna check the temperature. We're at 240 degrees right now, so we have a little bit of time for that to get up to temperature. We want it to get to 350. While that's happening, this is an 8-ounce popcorn popper, so we're gonna use 8 ounces of kernels. So let's get those measured out. We have our 1 cup here. We're gonna reach in. We're gonna scoop out 1 cup of kernels. These are the mushroom variety kernels. These are gonna pop up nice and big and round. We keep our kernels in this big 5-gallon bucket here, but you can keep your kernels however you want in small jars, whatever makes sense for you. Since we have our kernels measured out, we're now gonna get out our oil. Now, in an 8-ounce popcorn popper, I like to use 3 ounces of oil. So let's get that measured out. And today we're using Buttery Goodness popping oil. This is also a topping oil. So you can pop popcorn with it, but you can also top it with this, and it adds a nice butter flavor, kind of like what you would get at the movie theater. Let us measure this out. We have a 1-ounce pumper on here, so every time we pump up and down, it gives us 1 ounce, so 3 ounces. We're at 368 degrees, so let's add in our oil. There we go. And let's add in our kernels. We'll close this up, and that's gonna start to heat up again, and it's gonna start to pop those kernels for us. To get that dill pickle popcorn flavor, today we're gonna be using a product by Kernel Seasons. This is something you can buy right at the grocery store. I've seen this at Walmart. I've seen this at our grocery store locally here as Price Chopper, but they sell this all over the place, and you can easily get it right online. This one is Kernel Seasons Dill Pickle Seasoning. This seasoning, it actually says on here you can put this on veggies, fries, pasta, and chicken too. And I've actually had this on fries, and it's actually very good. I've never put it, whoa, that is strong. That is some really strong, the dill in that. You know how dill pickles got that sour, that tartness to them? This, just by smelling it, I can tell it has that in it too. Oh yeah, it has citric acid, so that's where you're gonna get that sourness. Perfect. Okay, I'm excited to try this on popcorn today. So let's measure this out. We are going to be popping up this 8 ounces of kernels, as I mentioned, and 8 ounces of kernels will yield about a gallon of popcorn. So what we like to do is we like to use about 1/3 of a cup. Let's take a look at that seasoning in there. You can see all the dill. Yeah, and that just smells so good. It's really, really strong. It's really good. We're starting to pop up, which is awesome. Oh yeah, and it smells really good. You could smell that butter oil, those popcorn kernels as they're popping. It's kind of like vaporizing it. It smells really, really good. All right, we're almost there. There we go. Now we're popping out. Let's get a couple pieces. Look how nice and big and round those are. Looks really good. We're gonna listen for this to slow down, and as soon as it does, that's when we're gonna give it a dump. All right, I hear it slowing down. Let's turn off our kettle, give it a dump. Whoa, that one, did you see that one popped out so far? All right, we have our nice hot popcorn here. Look how good that looks. Oh yeah. Now, what we're gonna do to put the seasoning on our popcorn, we could shake it in here, but what's gonna happen is a lot of it's not gonna stick, but we want our seasoning to stick to our popcorn really well. And what we'd use is we use a food safe bag. This one is a 2-gallon Ziploc bag. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this with our popcorn. We wanna make sure it's nice and hot and it stays nice and hot as we're doing this. We don't want this to cool down, because if it cools down, our seasoning is not gonna stick to this as good. This video today is sponsored by kettlecornmachine.com. You should check them out. They are awesome. They have these giant kettles to make kettle corn. People have been using them for many, many years. They make a really great quality product, and there's lots of families that are supporting their family by selling kettle corn and then using their products. We actually have one of their machines. We absolutely love it. It's a big 80 quart popper and it pops up so much popcorn, and we make all kinds of flavors in that as well. And it's really, really good. So be sure to check them out and let Destiny know that Popcorn Genius sent you, and I'm sure she's gonna take great care of you. So here we have it. We have all our popcorn in our bag. It's about halfway full, a little more than halfway full. As I mentioned, 8 ounces of kernels pops about a gallon of popcorn. And then we're gonna put our seasoning right on top of this. So let's sprinkle our seasoning on here. Put that right on our popcorn. Ooh, yeah, I can smell that dill. Smells really good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna close this up and we're gonna give this a shake. We wanna shake it up really, really well while that popcorn is still hot. There we go. The dill, it was caught in there and just boom, hit me right in the face. Let's take a look at a piece. You can see the dill on there, the seasoning. Give it a taste. Whoa, that's good. Whoa, that's really good. Check out this one, the little nooks and crannies. All the seasoning in there. That is so good. It's not super salty, which I like. It's very, tastes just like dill pickle. It's not, like I said, it's not super salty or savory. It's savory, but it's just dill pickle. Perfect. That is so good. So we just went to the grocery store. We picked up a bottle of this Kernel Seasons dill pickle seasoning, and it was terrific. Remember, in life and with popcorn, you just gotta get out there and get popping.